Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm very happy you are here today. This is a safe place to practice English. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I feel relaxed listening to this podcast.
That's good, Mark. Today, we are going to talk about doing things slowly. Many people feel tired because life is fast. Today, we slow down together.
I like that idea. Fast life makes me feel stressed.
You're not alone. Let's start slowly with calm voices. Mark, when you hear the word slow, what do you think about?
I think slow means not running, not rushing, taking time.
Yes, slow does not mean lazy. Slow means careful. Slow means present.
That's interesting. People think slow is bad.
Yes, but slow can be very good. When you do things slowly, you can feel your body and your mind.
I don't feel my body when I rush.
Exactly. Slow helps us notice small things. Why do you think life feels fast today, Mark?
Because of work, because of phones, because of messages.
Yes, we always look at screens. We always hurry to reply.
I feel nervous when my phone rings.
Many people feel the same. Fast life makes our mind tired. That's why slowing down is important.
I want my mind to rest more.
This podcast is a good place to start. Let's talk about mornings. Mornings set the tone for the day.
My mornings used to be very fast.
What did you change?
I wake up and sit quietly for 1 minute. I breathe slowly.
That's a beautiful habit. How does it help?
I feel less angry. I feel ready.
One slow minute can change the whole day. How do you move your body during the day?
I walk fast most of the time.
Have you tried walking slowly?
Yes, I look at the sky. I listen to sounds.
That's wonderful. Slow walking helps us feel alive.
I didn't know walking could feel good.
Small changes bring big feelings. Let's talk about eating.
I used to eat very fast.
Many people do. What did you change?
I chew slowly now. I taste my food.
That's very healthy. How do you feel after eating?
I feel full. I feel calm.
Slow eating helps both body and mind. Do you do many things at once?
I used to. Now I try to do one thing.
How does that feel?
I feel less tired. I make fewer mistakes.
That's the power of focus. Slow work is good work. What about work or study?
I stop pushing myself too hard.
That's important. What changed?
I take short breaks. I breathe.
Breaks are not a waste of time. They help us continue. Breaks are not a waste of time. They help us continue. Do you pause during the day?
Yes, I stop and do nothing for 1 minute.
That's very good. Pauses give energy.
I feel clearer after pauses.
Small pauses are powerful. How do you speak English now?
More slowly. I don't rush my words.
That's perfect. Slow speaking is clear speaking.
I feel less nervous.
Confidence grows when we slow down. Do you listen differently now?
Yes, I listen until people finish.
That's very kind. How do people react?
They smile. They feel respected.
Listening is a quiet gift.
How about your phone?
I don't check it all the time now. How does that feel?
Peaceful. My mind is quieter.
Less phone, more life. Do you spend time alone?
Yes, I sit quietly sometimes.
That's very healthy. Quiet time helps us reset.
I feel safe in silence.
Is it okay to do nothing?
Yes, I learned that it's okay.
Doing nothing is not bad. It's rest.
I don't feel guilty anymore.
How are your evenings now?
They are calm, no rushing.
That sounds peaceful.
I sleep better now.
Do you think differently?
Yes, I don't judge myself quickly.
That's very important. Kind thoughts matter. How do you learn English now?
A little every day, no pressure.
That's the best way. How do you feel now?
Calmer, more balanced.
That's beautiful progress. What did you learn, Mark?
Small steps are enough.
Yes, you don't need to hurry. To everyone listening, slow down. Be kind to yourself.
Thank you for listening.
You're doing great. See you next time.